Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload PDF files to Chatbase in 2026. If you want your AI chatbot to answer questions using information from your documents, this process is fast and easy, so let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the AI agent where you want to upload your PDF files. Next, go to the *knowledge* or data sources section and choose the *upload files * option. Yeah, this is where you can add documents to train your chatbot. Now select the PDF files from your computer or simply drag and drop them into the upload area. Wait for the files to finish uploading before moving to the next step. Once the upload is complete, Chatbase will automatically process and index the content from your PDF files. This may take a few moments depending on the size and number of your documents. After processing is finished, open the Chatbot preview and ask questions related to your PDF content. If the answers aren't quite right, you can upload updated files or add more information to improve the chatbot's responses. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded PDF files to Chatbase, and your AI chatbot is now ready to use the information from your documents. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.